With a population exceeding 180 million people, Pakistan is the sixth most populous country in the world. However, an energy crisis, commonly known as load shedding, is weakening the country's economy. From households to giant industries, none is safe from the menace this causes. The rural population, which makes up for 63% of the total population, is more severely affected by this crisis. A village near Golora, Islamabad, was facing similar issues where the residents were previously using firewood for heating and cooking purposes. A team of 12 final year engineering students from the National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, came up with the solution of setting up a biogas plant. A biogas plant effectively converts animal manure into biogas, which can be used for domestic purposes. The group was divided into 4 teams for equal distribution and effective outcome of the tasks involved during the course of the project. The teams included design, survey and implementation, quality assurance and control, and training. A budget of Rs 120,000 or $1,200 was allotted for the task of this project. This budget was used for the purchase of raw material and to pay for the laborers. With a time frame of 15 weeks, the plant was initiated in mid-October. A prototype made out of simple daily use items was created and tested before the plant construction was initiated. This was done to make sure that the project would be successful on a large scale. The prototype was made using a plastic bottle, a rubber tube, some plastic pipes, and some valves. The plastic bottle was filled up with organic waste slurry, which composed of 1 part animal manure and 1 part water. The dome of the bottle was left empty. It later filled up with biogas, which then moved into the connecting pipe. This pipe was connected to the outlet and the rubber tube. The rubber tube became inflated as the biogas was produced in the bottle. It acted as a storage facility, which then provided gas through the valve as per required. Similarly, in the actual plant, the inlet was filled with animal manure and water. This created a slurry which then moved downwards into the digester. The digester was partially filled up. In our case, the digester has a diameter of 10 feet and a depth of 20 feet. Leaving the slurry in this digester for a few days creates the biogas which accumulated in the dome of this digester. As the pressure of the gas increased up to a certain required value, the gas started moving upwards through the outlet. The outlet was then connected through pipes to the desired places, such as houses, stoves, and heaters, hence providing clean source of burning fuel. The construction was started soon after the location was decided and the measurements were taken. It was supervised by frequent visits made by the students to the site of the plant. It reached its completion on the 7th of January 2015. The life of this plant is greater than 22 years, and hence its installation has made the population self-sufficient in domestic burning gas for a long period of time. Training sessions were held where the residents were briefed upon the operation and handling of the plant. This was explained by the group of students in several different languages that are spoken in the region. This plant is now owned by the residents who are fully benefiting from the renewable and sustainable energy it provides. Along with that, it is a clean, healthy and environmental friendly source of energy which will hopefully benefit this generation and those to come.